Hello everyone and welcome to the online session of science again. So this is our session 4. Here we'll discuss about chapter 2, some topics from chapter 2, nutrition in animal. So here we are going to cover different topics. Our topics would be steps of nutrition. In steps we'll discuss about ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. And here we'll discuss about human digestive system also. In human digestive system we'll discuss about some parts: mouth, saliva and tongue. So we'll start with, first we'll discuss about ingestion. Ingestion is the process of intake of food. Various animals have different organs for ingestion of food. So here we'll discuss about some examples. Human beings swallow food after chewing. Herbivores quickly swallow the grass and leaves. And insect like butterfly have a long tube-like structure called proboscis, by which they suck the nectar of the flower. Amoeba, a unicellular organism, capture food with the help of pseudopodia, which engulf the prey. Apart from it, earthworms swallow their food using their muscular pharynx. A frog captures its prey with help of a long sticky tongue. So these are some ingestion organ present in different animals. So this is about ingestion. Now we'll discuss about digestion. So digestion, the consumed food cannot be utilized in the same form as it has been ingested. The ingested food is first broken down into smaller and simpler carbohydrate or compound. This process is called digestion. The food you are intaking, like if you are intaking some amount of starch. Starch is a complex carbohydrate. So first it will break down into simple carbohydrate, then only it would be digested. Clear? So it is about digestion. After digestion, digestion is how your body turns food into nutrients. It's uses for energy growth and cell repair. Here in the slide you can see the digestive tract is a long twisting tube that starts at your mouth and end at your anus, and it's made up of a series of muscles that coordinate the movement of food and other cells that makes enzyme and hormones to break down food. In between the tract in your digestive system बहुत सारी मसल्स, बहुत सारी ग्लैंड्स हैं जो हेल्प करती हैं डाइजेशन में. ये जो प्रोसेस है इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर माउथ एंड एट योर एनस. सो इस बीच में आपके फूड को आगे पुश करने के लिए बहुत सारा कॉन्ट्रैक्शन रिलैक्सेशन का प्रोसेस होता है. पेरिस्टाल्सिस इज अ प्रोसेस. अभी नेक्स्ट सेशन में वील डिस्कस अबाउट इट. सो हियर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्गन विच वी आर यूजिंग इन डाइजेशन. सो हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में सारे ऑर्गन्स के बारे में भी वील डिस्कस. So along the way, as you can see in the presentation, along the way are 3 other organs that are needed for digestion: your liver, gallbladder and pancreas. So this is about digestion. Our next slide is about absorption. So here we'll discuss about absorption. Absorption, after digestion, the simpler substances are then absorbed by the blood. Here in the slide you can see a picture. In picture you can see villi. Villi is a organ, you can say, present in small intestine which absorb the digested food, and villi connect with the blood capillaries. Through these blood capillaries food reaches to the different parts of the body. So absorption is the process which transfer the nutrients to the different parts of the body, and this means that they pass through the walls of the small intestine and into our blood stream. So this is about absorption. Assimilation. So assimilation is the process of utilizing absorbed nutrients for energy growth and development by body. सो प्रीवियस स्लाइड में हमने डिस्कस किया एब्जॉर्प्शन के बारे में, जिसमें थ्रू विलाई आपका डाइजेस्टेड फूड एब्जॉर्ब होता है एंड सो ब्लड कैपिलरीज ये आपके बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में पहुंचता है. सो इन एसिमिलेशन इज अ मूवमेंट ऑफ डाइजेस्टेड फूड, यू कैन से ये उस फूड को, डाइजेस्टेड फूड या उन न्यूट्रिएंट्स को बॉडी के उन पार्ट्स तक पहुंचाता है और इसके बाद जो प्रोसेस होता है उससे यू विल गेट, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल ग्लूकोज इज यूज्ड इन रेस्पिरेशन टू प्रोवाइड एनर्जी. सो एसिमिलेशन जो प्रोसेस है आपका, वो जो एब्जॉर्ब न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं उनको यूटिलाइज करना, द प्रोसेस वी कॉल एसिमिलेशन. Digestion. During the process of digestion, some part of the food may not get digested. जब आपका डाइजेशन का प्रोसेस होता है तो सम अमाउंट ऑफ फूड ऐसा होता है जो कि डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो पाता, तो ये इस प्रोसेस इजेशन के थ्रू आपकी बॉडी से बाहर एक्सपेल्ड हो जाता है, राइट. एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप अपने इजेशन स्लाइड के सेकेंड पॉइंट में यू कैन सी इजेशन इज अ वाइटल प्रोसेस इन ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल्स एज इट इज द मीन्स टू डिस्पोज ऑफ द अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड फ्रॉम द सिस्टम. और वाई इट इज नेसेसरी, क्योंकि जो वेस्ट होते हैं वो आपकी बॉडी के लिए टॉक्सिक होते हैं, राइट. तो अगर ये वेस्ट आपकी बॉडी में रह जाते हैं सो इट वुड बी हार्मफुल फॉर योर बॉडी. सो इन द यूरिनरी सिस्टम किडनी एलिमिनेट्स एक्सेस वाटर, टॉक्सिन्स एंड यूरिया, और ये आपकी बॉडी के इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक बैलेंस को मेंटेन रखता है, राइट. आपकी बॉडी में एक्सक्रीशन के और भी प्रोसेस होते हैं कि देयर आर 3 मेजर ग्लैंड्स ऑफ एक्सक्रीशन आर स्किन, किडनी एंड लंग्स. स्किन के थ्रू, स्वेटिंग के थ्रू, स्किन में आपकी स्वेट ग्लैंड्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं जिनसे स्वेटिंग होती है, इसके थ्रू आपकी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर मेंटेन रहता है, राइट. सो दिस इज अबाउट डाइजेशन. Human digestive system. So here we'll discuss about human digestive system. The digestive system of human being is a complex organ system, and it consisting of many organs such as salivary gland, mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So it is also called alimentary canal or the digestive tract. It is about 8 to 10 meter long in adults, and there are certain glands that are associated with the digestive tract. These are salivary gland, pancreas, liver. These glands also play an important role in the process of digestion. So this is about digestive system. Our next slide is about, here we'll discuss about some important organs of the digestive system. First we'll discuss about mouth. Digestion of food start from the mouth with the help of saliva, tongue and teeth. In fact, digestion start here when taking the first bite of food. Chewing breaks the food into pieces that are more easily digested. So digestion start from your mouth only. Then our next slide is about saliva. Saliva is secreted by salivary gland. Saliva contain an enzyme called salivary amylase, which acts upon starch present in food and breaks it into simple sugar. As I have told you कि अगर आप कोई food item you are intaking जो कि starch contain करता है, तो आपका जो ये salivary gland होती है ये एक enzyme release करता है which we called it salivary amylase, जो कि उस starch पे work करता है और उसको break down करता है simple sugar में. So saliva also act as a lubricant that makes food slippery, right? Thus digestion of food occur within the mouth even before food reaches the stomach. So this is about saliva. Our next slide is about tongue. Tongue, due to its muscular nature, can be rolled in any direction. आप अपनी टंग को किसी भी डायरेक्शन में मूव कर सकते हैं. इट हेल्प्स टू टर्न एंड मिक्स फूड विद सलाइवा. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प टू पुश स्वीट फूड इनटू esophagus or you can say your food pipe. There are large number of small bird like structure present on our tongue. आप इस चीज़ के बारे में ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस क्लासेस में पढ़ चुके हैं. These are called taste buds. These are sensory organ and detect different tastes such as sweet, salt, bitter. So your tongue helps out pushing the food around while you chew with your teeth, right? And your esophagus, the second part of the digestive tract. So this is about tongue. So that's all for the session. I hope you all understand about it. So, and I have given a worksheet or assignment. So complete your homework, and I hope you all are completing your previous homework also. Till then, stay home, stay safe.